Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and it's Monday, so it's time to get the little collage book out and do the Margarete Miller prompts. We are at week 20. Week 20, and going back to catch up, we are at week 3. So, week 20, the prompts are thread or fabric, a label, a plant, something found in a doctor's office, a sticker, and the bonus, if you want to swap one out, is an art scrap. So, I have gathered my bits as usual, and I have got my little bundle here. So I have fabric, a nice piece of polka dot fabric. So I have that. I have a label, which is this label of a set of notebooks. So we'll probably cut that down a bit. A plant. I've got this sticker sheet, which came in a stationery box a while back. So I've got my choice of plants. Something found in a doctor's office. I have an elastoplast. We call them plasters here. I don't know if anyone else calls them plasters. I will take it out, the wrapper. So it's really a band-aid to some folk, and it's a plaster here. So that's it. I'll just stick it. Maybe I'll just take the back off and stick it down like that. Anyway, we'll see. A sticker. I have some stickers left here. This was a set of greyhound stickers, so there's 3 left on it. We'll see which one fits with the collage once we get there, and I'm not going to do the bonus. So first of all, let's just cut this label down a little bit so that it's not quite as cumbersome for the collage. So we've got our piece of material and our label, and perhaps the plaster, and let's think, which plant will we have? Well, which dog, which... See, I quite like this, because he's quite fun. He's in the rain and he's got his greyhound tweeds on, although this one's got little wellies on. But I quite like the fact that this one's looking up. This one's looking up, so we'll maybe see how this one looks. They're quite sticky, these ones. I think we'll go for him. We'll just sit that there just now, and we'll see what plant we want. Maybe put the plant here. So maybe have a tall one. Maybe this tall one. We'll go there. Yes, I think so. So we'll just stick that. Once I've chosen stickers and I've taken them off the sheet, I just use the edge of my desk to stick them on. Okay, so let's just get sticking. I'm just going to use my glue stick. It does seem to work quite well in fabric when it's in a collage, and I can put things on top of it that will help. I think it will do okay. Now, which way was this again? I think we were going to put this here. Got quite a lot of glue on my finger. So welcome everyone. Hello to the new subscribers. Great to have you here. I hope you'll stay a while, watch some videos. Thanks for all the lovely comments. I get quite a lot of comments about my accent. I suppose we can't help our accents. By and large, they're nice comments. I've had one person said they couldn't make out a word I was saying. I don't know whether maybe English wasn't their first language and so it's difficult for them to understand. I don't know. But they were like, oh, I don't understand a word you're saying. Oh well. I'm sorry, but there's not a lot I can do about that. Let's just use the stickiness that's already on this. There we are. And we'll just put the plant there. And our little greyhound here. There we are. So we've got our fabric, our label, the plant, something found in the doctor's office, and a sticker. Job done. So let's go to number 3. So number 3 is a barcode, a photograph, a thing, clothing tag, text in a different alphabet, and bonus is handwriting. So this time I have switched out because I didn't know what a thing, I don't know, I suppose it could be anything, but I thought, well, I don't even know what I would do for a thing, so I switched it out for handwriting. So instead of using the old typewriter, I've got an old retro typewriter that I type these out on. I just used my handwriting, so that's the bonus switched out for a thing with using handwriting. So I have a barcode. Here's my barcode. It was off a label of some, so I think it was a return label for something. I have a photograph. I have a clothing tag, which is this clothing tag here, which was for a pair of shoes. I do have this clothing tag, but I thought this one, I just quite liked the wee sheep. See the wee sheep in the wee washing machine? I thought he was kind of cool, so I'm going to use that one. Text in a different alphabet. I've got this. I don't know which way up it goes. At first I had picked out, I've got an old French newspaper, which initially I was going to use, but then when I reread this, it says a different alphabet rather than just a different language. So a different alphabet means it has to be something like this. So that's what it is. So let's get, I'm going to use this piece here. So we'll just get that off. So yes, so hello to the subscribers, and if you're watching for the first time and you haven't subscribed, it would be great if you could think about doing that. It's always nice to have new subscribers. I don't know which, I have no idea which way up that goes, but let's see what I want to do here. I always like collages to be overlapping. Maybe there. See, because one of them's over here already, the handwriting, it means there's only 4 things here, and the less things actually is making it trickier. to be honest. I don't want to cover up too much of the writing. I don't know which way round it should go. Maybe I'll switch that out for that. Put that there. And then just put that there. That's better. Get there in the end. Yeah, let's go with that. Okay, let's bring the magazine in. So let's do this first. So I hope everyone's well. We're fine here. Starting to get a little bit warmer, thank goodness. It just seems that it's just been cold for so long, and usually we get quite a nice week early on in May or the end of April, but that just didn't happen this year. It's been really quite horrible. But they're telling us that the chance of frost is over. So that's good. That means we can buy the little bedding plants for the garden. Get the tubs filled. Get a little bit of colour in. Let's see if we can just get that under there. There we are. It's a bit dull. There's not any colour in that one, but for some reason it does work. It's kind of muted, just a wee splash of orange there for the wee sheep. Right, so unclip it, and that's us. So we've got a barcode, photograph. We don't have a thing. We've got a clothing tag. We've got the text in the different alphabet, and then we've got the handwriting over here. And I put the date on upside down, so I just stamped it again. Oh dear. So that's us. This little book will soon be full. I do like this one. And I like this one. And I quite like this one. I shouldn't be saying that, admiring my own. I like this one too. Oh my goodness. Right, and that's this week. So I'll leave it there, and thanks for joining me today. And a thumbs up would be super duper, and a subscribe would be marvellous. So thanks again, and take care. See you next time. Bye for now.